Hey everyone, I just received this Konka 32-inch soundbar TV from AliExpress, and I've got to say, I'm really impressed with how much you get for the price. First off, this is Konka's brand new V Max series, and right now it's only $89.99. Seriously, that's incredible value. Let me show you what makes this TV really special. Beautiful. It comes with the two legs. Simply pop them in place and then screw them in with the included screws. Comes with the remote and the batteries. Okay, so I'm going to point out some features. Feature number one, it has a built-in 30-watt soundbar right under the screen. So you don't need any extra speakers or cables. And what's really cool, you can use it as a standalone speaker. That means you could turn your screen off and still play your favorite music in full room-filling sound. Feature number two, it runs on Samsung's Tizen's OS operating system. It's the same system found in very high-end smart TVs. That means you get smooth performance and you can stream all your favorite apps very easily. Feature number three, it supports HDR10, so your movies and shows look vibrant and colorful. Way better than you expect from a 720 display. It even has Dolby Audio, so the sound is rich, clear, and powerful. Perfect for smaller rooms or bedrooms.
Rest in peace to Lord Gwyn. Doritos, there's three-dimensional Doritos. The cakes, you're gonna have different names because you're short.
Hey!
Right? You could probably...
All right, so I just moved it into the bedroom. And this is where I think the Konka soundbar TV really shines. It's compact, lightweight, and gives you a full entertainment setup without needing any extra sound system. I can stream directly from Tizen OS, watching Netflix, YouTube, or Prime Video, and control everything with one remote. And if I just want background music while I'm relaxing or working, I can just switch the screen off and use it like a powerful Bluetooth soundbar. That's a super unique feature I haven't seen at the same price range. Now here's the best part. AliExpress is holding their Double 11 mega sale from November 11th to November 19th with up to 90% off site-wide. So it's a perfect time to grab this Konka TV or check out the other amazing deals. You have apps like YouTube, Netflix, Peacock, Hulu, Disney, Prime Video, and Samsung TV Plus. And to save even more, use my exclusive discount codes on checkout. So if you're looking for a 32-inch TV with surprisingly powerful sound, smart features, and a super low price, this Konka V Max series soundbar TV is definitely worth checking out. Click the link in my bio or description below, and don't forget to use my discount codes to get extra savings during the AliExpress Double 11 mega sale. Thanks for watching. I'm going to kick back, throw on a movie, and enjoy this surprisingly awesome little TV. Before we wrap up, I just want to show you something really cool. This is my personal AliExpress landing page. Here you can check out my favorite product picks, including this Konka soundbar TV, and scroll through the More to Love section for other awesome categories and deals. When you're ready to shop, just click the link in the description below. It'll take you straight there. And don't forget to use my personal discount codes to save even more during the Double 11 mega sale. $39, $5 off. Enter PTEC5. $89, $10 off. Enter PTEC10. $149, $25 off. Enter PTEC25. $259, $45 off. Enter PTEC45. $349, you get $60 off. Enter PTEC60. $459, you get $70 off. Enter PTEC70. If it's $599, you get $120 off. Enter PTEC120. So click my link, grab your favorite deals, and use all these codes at checkout for extra discounts.
Oh, really? That's all.